You could do 600 millilitres of clementines. That's about 20 in number, but you just got to measure it and see how you go. About half the juice we put into a pan, and if you want to sweeten that with a little sugar, just a little bit to take the edge off it, because it's a little sour, you can just sort of mix in to taste. And then ginger, I'm going to take the smallest little piece, I'm just going to do about half of that, and that tiny little squeezing of ginger will just give it a little kick. So look, literally in 2 minutes, can you see what's happened to the jerky in there? It's softened up. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to do that. And then the lovely Henry is going to pick that up and put it into the juice.